What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Khalil G. I got a good series coming up for you right now. Now, mind you, while I was down there, I didn't really use my big cam that much, so I didn't bring it out on the lake with me. Came up on a wonderful, wonderful lake out in Florida. We was right at the Orlando Kissimmee area, so it was very wonderful to be out there. It was nice and hot all day long. I was out there for a week, giving it a good old-fashioned dangle, and I had a really good time. And I got all this content that I want to share with you. So this is episode 1, and in episode 1, I was just trying to figure out the lake. I had just got there, never fished it before, never seen it before, and I walked out there and I took what I thought would be decent for a man who's trying to figure out the lake for the first time. And this is what happened. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. You're going to like this content that's coming up. Thumbs up, thumbs down button, do all that stuff for me. Catch you at the end of the video. Stay tuned. There's a glass surface right now. And the water's got some ripple. That's a good time for the surf bait. All right.
That is dope. That is hat. I don't see the whirly bird.
The what?
The damn drone.
I didn't even look at it again last night. I'll wait for the sun to come up a little more. Yeah, I got up at 6, but I went back to sleep for 30 minutes. It's a glassy surface, so I had to change my baits. I was doing something that was moving, but the water's not moving, so it's best to be on the bottom or the worm or something simple. Switching tactics before I get started. Whoa. Something really big just waked right here. Right here.
Yeah, they always, that's where they at. I'm telling you, that's where they at. You cook up that thing.
I just did that.
That's all the birds taking off.
Yeah, I say this was a monster. There's so many birds on there last night. When I came out at the end of the night, I saw all those. My drag is out right. Come here, was that a cat? Oh, I don't even know what this is.
Oh, that's nice. That's a tilapia.
It is a tilapia.
Good tilapia, isn't it?
Whew. We recording? Hell yeah, we are. Got me a tilapia. I don't know anything about tilapia, so I ain't gonna put my hand in your mouth. But I am gonna get you unhooked for my first caught tilapia, I'll tell you that. Hey buddy, you're kind of huge and heavy. Hurry up and get you out of here before you can't breathe. Oh, you ain't got no teeth. You ain't got no teeth. Yeah, say ah. There you go.
Why you got your gloves on? Why you grabbing? Ain't no piece of
I don't know if he got in his mouth. It's my first one. Mmm. 2.3 pounds. Locked in. All right. For my first tilapia. Hell yeah. Get out of here, young person. All right. Well, that's how you start your day. My drag was terribly not set. That was terrible. Couldn't even set the hook. Man, that drag is just running. What? Is it broken? Yeah, I don't think my drag is broke. Because I'm like, I can't, it's all the way tight. And I can still pull it with ease.
Oh, you pulling it with ease?
Yeah, like I can't lock the drag. Yeah, I can't lock the drag on this thing. Holy crap. No wonder I could barely fish him out of there. I was trying to hold the damn line with my thumb. God damn, man, this is a relatively new reel. And my drag is out. I have reels much older than this and I have not had that happen. Damn, the drag is out. How do you lose your drag? Woo! That's my first one on the trench hog too. I'm 2 for 2 today. My first tilapia, my first trench hog catch, my first catch on my new rod. This is a triple threat. First time on a certain bait, first time on this rod, first kind of fish I've ever caught like that. Oh, this Florida trip is turning out to be something special, ain't it? What are we looking like? I got 4% on this battery left. I got about another cast or two. That's all right. I'm just gonna use my thumb. And that was just a flip. I just flipped that right there. I didn't even pitch that far out. Oh, I missed that fish. If you wasn't recording, I missed that fish. Oh man, I made a rookie mistake. I forgot to press record again. I caught a little squeaker, man. And I'm sitting up there holding them. I didn't even take pictures with my phone though. Nothing. I'm on fish number 3, but we missed that catch because I just realized that I wasn't recording. I'm looking down at my thing like, oh yeah, let me check this thing. And all of a sudden I realized I'm not recording because I stopped it during my retie and I forgot to turn it back on. Extra rookie mistake. Well, I'm 3 fish in now. Sorry you guys missed that last one I just caught and put back, but he was less than a pound, bleeding a little bit out the side of his face, so I had to put him back. So that's 3 fish on the natural trench hog by Guggen Baits. 3. Well, that was a snap off. Line could only take but so much. This time I just kept you guys recording. I was making sure I didn't have that rookie mistake again. Thought I had something there. Gave it an alternate quick pull. Probably should have waited. No, I didn't break through those strings, so must have just hit some sort of grass. So anyway, what I've been doing is I've been just kind of swimming it. Oh. I've been just kind of swimming it and letting the tails flutter, you know, trying to keep a nice slow roll since my reel is kind of messed up. The drag is shot. No, you son of a... Broke me off. So there's some damn fish swimming around with my hook in his mouth now. That would have been number 4, Dad. You'd have been caught. Damn it, I just retied that. I'm down to my last trench hog now. They are killing the trench hog. He literally grabbed it. My whole rod was like, yank, snap. Is that the whole leader line or is that just a piece of it? It's just a piece of it. Damn it. Now you gotta tie a leader line. That's they gotta be slightly invisible. Yeah, this whole line is ate up, man. Damn it. I got plenty of line in here. I got some 8, I got some 6. That 6 will be almost invisible. That's the one you really want to try. They can't see that at all. So it just looks like bait in the water. That's not gonna cut that. Pause. Almost made that rookie mistake again. Back in the water, first cast since I retired for the 3rd time. Using one of these, I think. No, yeah, this is what I'm using. Let me show you how I'm tying it though, because that's kind of important where the line comes through a little differently, where you don't see. It's got a line, I got it lined through, where if I were to pull this back, all the string is tied under the line. Yeah, so you can see everything is hidden. Only thing that you get to see is basically, yeah. And that's a real simple one, better than those polymers and the uni knots and all that stuff. Is real simple, especially when you're doing worms.
I think I see that. Somebody did it on something.
Yeah, once I figured out how to do it, it's so simple that it's like, oh, I could have been doing that the whole time. Huh?
You got to show me something.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you real quick.
When I seen that hook, again, that's simple. Let me get this shit.
Yeah, you need to open the bell up, so go ahead. All right, roll it. Oh, yours is Cast King too. Really should get a sponsorship from them. Pretty much got all that stuff.
You put them together. Yeah, I like
And you
that.
roll them about, I always give it about a foot. And you just take the leader line is this one. You just pull it enough to roll it around your finger. And then just open a little hole there between the leader line and just make sure that the braid is in the way, and just start rolling it around it.
Yeah, and then
3,
yeah, like 5
4,
times.
5, because you want the knot to be as small as possible.
What the hell you looking at for?
Because you gotta lube it or you'll put abrasions in the line. Oh, where's the line at? There it is. And then same thing on the other side. Same.
Let me try that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Even though you were standing in the sun, I think I did see it. Okay.
Now you gotta use the braid this time. The braids that out open end. So you gotta tie the braid around your finger.
This piece?
No, this is
This
the braid.
one, that's
yeah.
it, that's our grab.
Now you was holding that line. You was holding the clear line. No, yeah, well, just make a nice size circle. I normally use 2 fingers because it makes it a little easier to get that circle. Nice steady circle. Make sure you keep it open enough to roll your finger through it. And I just start running the line through it. No, like
through the hole.
No, outside. Because you want to make sure you, like you're holding, you want to make sure you catch the line in it every single time. So you want to be able to just keep rolling through the hole like that at least 5 times. That's already 2. It's easier when you spread it with 2 fingers and you can just kind of use your index to roll it through over and over again. And you just take that end and hold that end towards that end. Yeah, like that. And then put a little lube on it because you got to pull the braid back the other way, and you want to put a little something on it before you start putting that knot, making that knot tight. Yeah. All right, now pull the braid.
I can't see the braid.
Yes, yeah, you got it. Just hold that tight, real tight. You got to hold that braid in too. Yeah, hold that piece and then pull the braid. No, all right, just hold that. Yeah, that piece by itself. Yeah. There you go. All right, now grab both ends and then you can pull them together.
And I cut the rest off.
Yeah.
All right, hold it now.
Yeah, I know you got to do the other knot too. Am I still in the water? I am still in the water.
I know.
All right.
I almost cut the daggone.
Yeah, you gotta be real careful because I have definitely cut the wrong tag piece before. I'm about to say, I'll pick up a few rides and pack that bag. I'll walk around that way. Oh, you say do it?
Yeah.
How many rides do I got out here? 3. I think I'm going to leave 1. I just want to cover all my bases. Swimming, something hard bottom.
These 2 other fish were dead.
All right, yeah, so. I'll put this jerk bait back. Another retying session. 38% of my battery left. All right, now we back. We made it to the other side of the lake. The algae over here on this side is way worse than on the other side. Mostly because it's probably in the shade, but hoping there's something hiding up under this mat. I can't see down, they can't see out. But there are fish busting out here non-stop. threw all my trench hogs out. Every single one of them got snapped. The last 4 or 5 I had all got snapped off in this lake. So now I've switched to the Kraken craw. It's the June bug color. Because I can't see nothing in this water, so I'm assuming they can't see me either.
I had it, then I didn't have it.
It's all about that bottom loop. Yeah, the string is a lot thicker. You can't go around as many times. Everything's got to be cut down a little bit. So instead of going around like 5 times, go around like 3 times because it's going to be so thick. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it might be time to retire the whitebird. I done gave this rod almost a full 3 hours now. I really didn't even fish with anything else. So, it might be time to retire, especially since my reel, my White Max Cast King reel, the drag has failed, and now the reel is acting funny. It still has caught me 3 fish, mind you. But it just doesn't feel right when I'm reeling it in anymore. It's very clumpy and bumpy. It's it's doing that. Like, y'all probably can't see it, but I got him. Got him. There you go. That's all right, you up 1 more. Well, at least I know the Kraken craw is working out here. That's right, we got you on.
Yeah,
we got you on GoPro.
Oh, you stuck up in there, hook.
Oh, you have to pop that one. That hook's about to bend. We need to get the pliers. Might say you can put him back in the water. He ain't going nowhere. Oh, you spit it? Oh. Well, there we go. You said the hook's in his mouth? What do you do, break it? All right, well, see if you can grab him by the lip again. Get him over here. Ooh. It's hard to run in flip-flops, especially when they're wet and soggy. So basically, he's gonna be a fighter.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh.
I got the hook.
Oh, you do got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there we are. Crisis averted. All right. Now that all the fun is over, see if I can go back to trying to catch a fish too. All right, and my dad has caught another one, so it's time to move. Can't be the only person not catching fish. I'm the one making the videos. Oh, you sounded so lame. That was the lamest duck I've heard ever. It's like, nah. What happened to you, old lame sad duck? Or is that the sound of a duck that don't give a cluck? I keep picking up stuff for this old man. Just be leaving his stuff behind. He don't be caring. Somebody's got to though. Oh, that dark brown stuff is an anthill. I'm from Georgia, our anthills are red. I forgot everywhere else the dirt is brown and black. Georgia's the only place you get Georgia red clay when you choose to play in the dirt. It looks just like this stuff, this bark. That's what our dirt looks like. That was 3.5, now it's 3.6. He's got me by a good bit. So I'm gonna follow him up with the spinner bait. All right, like I was saying, the old man's got me 6-3 right now. And he's using all my techniques and all my baits, and he's beating me on them. Which I don't have an issue with. That just means that I can teach this stuff better than I can show you it. Because I taught him that stuff with the baits, and he's been watching YouTube and getting his little knowledge in, and now he out here trying to use my baits and my hooks and my tying techniques, but he's getting me. And that's all that matters. If we're counting it by today, I think he's got 2 for the day to my 3 for the day. Because he's had 4 since yesterday. So basically he had a 2-day start on me. I think they got here Sunday. I didn't get here till Monday night, and I didn't fish really Monday, but he did a little bit and caught 1. So that's why he's up 4-1, because he pretty much had a 2-day start on me. I caught 3 of mine just this morning, so I got another 3 to catch just to say we even. All right, well, am I even still recording? I am. I'll let you know right now that ain't nothing happening. I thought I had a bite, might have snagged in or something at the bottom. That tends to be the overwhelming census when it comes to pretend bumps, thinking that you got something. There is a lot of shells on the land here. Something's eating oysters or clams out here. Yeah, I'm about to start heading back in. Been out here for hours. Hope you guys got a chance to enjoy that. That was pretty good, right? That tilapia though, that's my first time ever catching that. So it was a lot of firsts for me in this video, being that I've seen a species I pull out of the water I've never even seen with my eyes before in real life, you know, other than in the package at the supermarket. So it was real cool to have pulled that out the water. The bass, you know, they were some bite sizers at you know, for my first occasion. So we'll see how it goes. It should get better from here, you know. So y'all stay tuned. I thank y'all for coming out and spending your time with me. If you're new to the channel and you made it this far, please click the subscribe button. Leave it with a thumbs up button, because you clearly like the content. You made it this far, right? And subscribe to the channel like I had said. and comment down below if you feel like you want to. It's all good. You don't have to, but I'd appreciate it. So anyway, I'm gonna keep this series going. Hopefully it can continue to get better for y'all. Enjoy showing you this content. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Until next time, I'm COOAU. See you on the next one.